Beneath the Peruvian desert lies the Nazca Lines, a stunning collection of ancient geoglyphs spanning 450 square kilometers. Created between 500 BC and AD 500, these designs feature animals, plants, and geometric shapes, some stretching kilometers long. Despite their scale and beauty, their purpose remains a mystery. Were they sacred messages, celestial maps, or even signals for extraterrestrials? What hidden truths do these enigmatic symbols hold? The Nazca Lines were first systematically studied in 1926 by Toribio Mejia Gillespie, a Peruvian archaeologist, though their true scale wasn't revealed until the 1930s when pilots spotted them from the air. Some lines stretch up to 48 kilometers, while biomorphs like the hummingbird and monkey measure up to 365 meters, rivaling the height of iconic skyscrapers. The Nazca Lines, known as geoglyphs, were created by removing the rust-colored surface rocks to reveal lighter sand beneath, forming a striking contrast. This negative image technique has preserved the designs for millennia, thanks to the region's arid climate and minimal erosion. Most were crafted over 2,000 years ago by the Nazca people, but some lines attributed to the earlier Paracas culture depict humanoid figures. The Nazca Lines have baffled researchers since their discovery. American historian Paul Kosok, observing from the air in 1941, suggested they were astronomical markers. This theory was echoed by Maria Reiche, who believed the lines formed a massive star calendar. Another captivating theory was proposed by Swedish writer Erik von Däniken in his 1968 book Chariots of the Gods. He speculated that the Nazca Lines were created as landing sites for extraterrestrial spacecraft, claiming that ancient civilizations regarded these extraterrestrials as alien gods. Similar alien-focused theories suggest that the designs may have served as navigation aids or landing pads for visiting spaceships. Researchers continue to unravel the secrets of the Nazca Lines, using cutting-edge technology to expand our understanding. Dr. Masato Sakai, an archaeologist from Yamagata University, has spent 3 decades studying the geoglyphs. In a 2024 study published in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, his team identified 303 new geoglyphs in just 6 months. Utilizing artificial intelligence alongside low-flying drones, the researchers scanned over 630 square kilometers, dramatically increasing the catalog of these ancient creations. The recent discoveries revealed intricate new geoglyphs, including humanoid figures, decapitated heads, birds, cats, fish, and even a 22-meter-long killer whale holding a knife. These findings suggest that the lines were not only symbols, but also guides along pilgrimage routes, playing a role in community rituals and cultural practices. Interestingly, the team anticipates uncovering 250 more geoglyphs when they get around to visiting these sites over the next few years. The Nazca Lines remain one of humanity's greatest enigmas. Whether they were sacred markers, astronomical tools, or the result of a profound cultural ritual, their true purpose eludes us. As researchers uncover even more geoglyphs, the question persists. Were these designs meant to convey messages to the heavens, or do they hold a hidden code we've yet to decipher? What do you think the Nazca Lines were truly meant for?